Welcome to the next video. It's about if function. It's a what if analysis, so some conditions. In this example, for example, suppose the employing company in the above example, there was a bonus to people who exceeded their target by more than £1,000. Spreadsheet could work out who is entitled to the bonus. So we can use if function equals to if, then if D4 is the cell, if it is greater than 1,000, comma, must put a comma, inverted comma bonus, inverted comma close, then comma, inverted comma, nothing, inverted comma. So if you hit enter, until this comma here, this is called true. If it is not, then rest is false. Yep. So this is a logical test which we're gonna use in our next illustration number 10. Just before that, some of the signs you need to know. This is less than, this is less than or equals to, this is equals to, this is greater than or equals to, this is greater than, and this is not equal to. You can use it, all this from the keyboard. Well, illustration number 10, if function. The question here, a company offers a discount 5% to customer who order more than £10,000 worth of goods. Spreadsheet showing what customer will pay may look like. Now, they have given you, this is the spreadsheet we're going to open in illustration number 10. Here's the sales. The discount hurdle is 10,000. If you're selling more than 10,000, you're going to get 5% discount. So customer John, Margaret, William, and Julie, sales 12, 9, 8, 20. So these two are entitled for the discount. And how much is the discount? 600. Nothing, 1,000. And net price is from the sales price, take away the discount. That's what you meant to do. Although they done it for you, look at the formula they used. Equals to if B8 is greater than C3. This is the B8 here, doesn't it? If this, let me erase it. This is getting, yeah. If this B8 here, 12,000 is greater than this 10,000, you're entitled for a 5% discount. Yeah. If B8 is greater than C3, and C3 would be locked, absolute figure, the value, comma, B8 times by C4. B8 times by C4 is 5%. Comma 0. If it is not, if it is false, then the answer should be 0. Let's open this one and get started doing it. You know, they have done it for you. I'm going to delete it and doing all over again. Delete, and let's do the discount. So the discount is equal to if function, double click on it. So if this figure here, B8, which is 12,000, greater than shift, greater than from the keyboard, then this discount hurdle C3, and C3 should be locked F4. Then you put a comma, then again B8 multiply by the percentage, 5% discount, right? And that 5% should be locked F4. That is if the sales is greater than 10,000, then you get a 5% discount. Comma 0 means if it is not, then you get 0 discount. Then closing the bracket, hit enter, you get 600. That is the discount because 12,000 is more than 10,000, you get a discount. Taking the calculator on screen, if you do 12,000 times by 5%, and the discount is 600, doesn't it? Using the fill handle, this plus, bring it down. So 9,000 for 8,000. William and Margaret is not getting any discount. Julie is getting £1,000 discount. And I get the net price. Net is 12,000 minus 600. You get net equals to 12,000 minus 600. Hit enter. That is my net price. And if you drag it down, that is your answer. Exactly like this. Well, actually, this is your if formula. Yep. Let's check out next video, illustration number 11, to practice a little more on if function.